Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the OOHHEE intelligent LED battery charger. Fits up to eight pieces of a combination of AA and triple AA rechargeable batteries. And as you can see, it has a safety stabilization, DC 5 volts 2 amps, LED indicator light, intelligent protection, cycle charging process, automatic charging tech, and this one actually comes with some batteries as well. So let's have a look inside. I already like that they come in a plastic container. That's really good. And let's see. So we get some instructions which you should read. That's the charging cable that it comes with. It's a micro SD. So that's how it looks like. And that's where you plug this in. I wish it was a USB-C because it's much easier to use. Okay, so let's just check the batteries out. So fast rechargeable battery, 2800 milliamps, 1.2 volts. So this is the NEMH, so it's not your normal batteries. So let's just so the way it works, you see inside this, the first one is for the larger batteries and the one inside is for the AAA. So let's just plug a few batteries in. Let's see, doesn't matter where you connect them in here. So we'll try this 4. There's no need to use the other ones. So I'm gonna plug this in through here, and as you can see, the green one indicates that it's not in use, and the blue ones that it's in use. So let's just see what the colors mean. See if we have it anywhere in here. So the blue means it's charging, and fully charged green. And if it's an incompatible battery, the LED light is flashing blue and green. Okay, that's good to know. As you can see, the batteries are charging, and you can put up to 8 batteries in there. 4, so you have another 4 slots empty. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.